Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Deepak Chopra meditative voices collection on 11labs. So what you have to do is to go to this website 11labs.io. On the sidebar menu, click on voices and then click on the collection menu, then click on this special package, the Deepak Chopra meditative voices. Now all you have to do, when you click on it, you would have a page similar to this where you would have 6 voices to choose from. You can sample each voice to see if it matches what you expect.
Let's begin by closing your eyes.
So remember, this is for meditative or educative
We have a photo shoot for
projects. So once you've selected, okay, more like 7 voices. Once you've selected a voice that is suitable for your project, what you just have to do is to click on add, and you can add it to my voices section where you can edit your project and add the suitable voice. So this is how to use the Deepak Chopra meditative voice collection on 11 labs. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts.